What's going on? It's Lex from Wavy Creatures, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all what I bring with me on vacation. So for those of y'all that may know, I'm going to DC to do a Wavers meet and greet. So I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of the stuff that you should bring when you're going on vacation. I'm gonna be there 5 days. I'm gonna be in DC for give or take 5 days. But this is the stuff that you need to put in your suitcase when you go on vacation. Yeah, you. Well, when I start packing my bag, I like to bring some of my silkies. You know, a few favorite colors. Man, who am I lying? I bring all my shits. And you never know what feet I'm gonna wear, so sometimes you just gotta bring the unopened one so you can break open a fresh pack. Straight like that. So now that you got all your silkies in the suitcase, you want to go ahead and pack some of your favorite brushes. Now don't go overboard, just pack some of your favorite brushes. So now that you got your favorite brushes and silkies, you got to bring some of your favorite products. So now that you got your favorite products in the bag, next, you know you gotta pack your clothes. So this area is designated for clothes only. Got the silks, the brushes, and the products.